What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna take a look at Gala. We're seeing at 0.01678. Quickly refresh. We're up 0.02 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 771 million, 24-hour volume 77 million. So we've seen quite a deep pullback. That means this first 5 waves is complete. Now you could already look at an ABC, but I don't like that because it's 5 waves down. As you can see right here, there's wave 1, wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, 5, which is typical of a wave A. So I think it's more likely we bounce up in a B and then come down in a wave C. Watch the bearish level of 0.01584 breaks. Things can get very negative. It all depends on tomorrow's Fed FOMC. If the Fed cuts interest rates, we should be fine. We've never had a bull market where they cut interest rates and the following weeks we're not bullish. Maybe short-term sell-off, but the following weeks and months are always bullish after rate cuts, and there's like a 90% chance the Fed will cut rates, which will be great because the market has been extremely annoying, especially Gala. So look for an ABC correction. We need to hold 0.01584, and weekly chart, we're chilling in this wedge. So let's see if we break it. And then you would take the measurement of the body of the wedge. That would take you right up to the neckline of the double bottom. If we break to the downside, good night. That can take you all the way down to 0.01149. It all depends on tomorrow's FOMC meeting. That's what we're looking at for Gala, 30 to 60 cents in the bull run, depending on if the Fed cuts rates. So we'll wait for that tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day. If you want completely free access to my trading group, we're in 3 trades right now. Sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. Takes 36 of your time. This is one of the top exchanges. Send me email. All links down below. That's all you have to do. There's no strings attached. I'll send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including Gala. And my exact trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now. And we have almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.